Starting off with prepping up your skin. I actually don't do much, like I don't complicate my skincare routine. So let's start. I have washed my face, and now I'll apply a moisturizer. So what I'll do is the moisturizing part and the primer part, I'll combine both of the what we say that both of the steps. So basically मैंने toner भी लगा लिया है. I forgot to show you guys, actually I use rose water, basically nothing else. So yeah, I was talking about I'll combine the my priming part and my moisturizer. So how? So basically जैसे कि primer, so actually I don't use the primer वाला primer.
So instead I use Mamaearth Aloe Turmeric Gel.
So if you guys actually don't know that aloe vera also works as a moisturizer, and it can be also used as a primer. So basically what are reasons that primer is called primer? Because it should be sticky. The first thing is that, and it should cover your pores. Aloe vera actually doesn't do all of that, but actually it protects your skin from makeup. Like to a certain extent it does. And aloe vera gel is also a sticky formula, so you can use it as a primer plus moisturizer. So the first thing which I like to use is foundation. So actually I don't apply a proper amount of foundation. मैं बहुत थोड़ा like very thin film, मतलब बहुत थोड़ा सा ही foundation लगाती हूँ. So
Maybelline Superstay Foundation in the shade 310 Sun Beige.
And I will take it on my back of my hand and then apply it. I was saying कि मैं कुछ ज़्यादा layers नहीं लगाती हूँ, थोड़ा बहुत तेज दिखने लगता है. And अभी भी मैं कुछ पूरा face नहीं cover करती, मतलब जहाँ पर मुझे थोड़ी imperfections है, not imperfections but जहाँ पर मेरा skin tone थोड़ा सा अलग है, मैं वहाँ पर ही लगाऊंगी. So yeah, मैंने अपना फाउंडेशन बैक कैमरा कर लिया था, and now it's time for concealer. For concealer I'll be using this
is Sugar Magic Wand Concealer in the shade 40 Brief.
So this is my first time using this. Like मैंने ये कल ही लाया है, and today I'm using this. Like I'm too excited to use this because इसके बारे में मैंने मतलब इतना अच्छा सुना था, like बहुत मैंने इसके बारे में सुना है. तो I'll use this today. And ये थोड़ा मेरी स्किन से लाइटर तो है, बट ऐसे लग रहा होगा कि ये स्किन से थोड़ा डार्क है बिकॉज इसमें बहुत येलो अंडरटोन है, इसीलिए. एंड इट्स टू थिक, तो मे बी ये थोड़ा केकी दिख सकता है. आई होप सो कि ये ना दिखे. And I'll carve out my brows a little, like not too much, and I will then blend it. Blending same, I'll take my beauty blender and blend it. So maybe while blending I won't be able to talk, so I'll give a voiceover. ये ब्लेंड होने के बाद इतना डार्क नहीं लगता, मतलब डार्क लगता ही नहीं है. ब्राइटनिंग इफेक्ट टू इट सर्टेनली गिव्स, बट या अगर इसे अच्छे से ब्लेंड ना करो ना तो इट प्रोबेबली अ डार्कर शेड फॉर मी. लाइक मेरी स्किन ना बहुत शेड्स में ट्रांसफॉर्म होती रहती है, सो आई सर्टेनली डोंट नो कि मेरे को कौन सा शेड सूट होता है. So my concealer is done, and now it's time to set your base. So for setting your base, I'll be using a loose powder. So I don't bake. Like I don't like baking. I don't know why, but I don't like baking. I just use powder with my brush, and I just set it randomly. Like मैंने पाउडर के लिए यूज़ किया है
Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade 20 Light Medium.
Now we will move on to our blush. So for blush I use, this is also a new one. So for blush I use
Sugar Contour De Force Mini Blush in the shade 02 Pink Pinnacle.
So you know that pinky mauvey color which I certainly like. And मतलब मुझे ऐसे ही colors पसंद है. And I will apply it to my cheeks, apples of my cheeks. Like मैं इसे double tap करती हूँ. Like I'm not in, मतलब some amount on my nose to give that, you know, flush effect. And so as I told you that I'll keep my eyes very simple. So yeah, let's get started. Firstly, I'll apply a transition shade. So for eyeshadow, I'll be using
Makeup Revolution Surface Eyeshadow Palette.
This contains 24 eyeshadow palettes, 24 eyeshadow shades. So the first one I'll be using is a white shade to, you know, brighten up my eyelids more. So the white shade is called Penguin. So as you know, apply it like my powder. Like I don't do this every time, like. And the second shade will be a lighter, a darker than that shade. So this shade is called Kapati, this one. And I'll deposit this shade below my crease. I'll do same on my other eye also. As my outfit color is, you know, yellow and bluish, so I don't want to create a blue because blue use करने तो it looks very glam, and as such I don't have yellow color. So what you can do is you can go towards bronzy peachy color. So मैं क्या करूँगी, I'll apply an orange color. I have the orange color called Cloudberry. This is the shade. It contains a little shimmer particles, but as such वो दिख कर नहीं आता है. तो मैं इसे मेरे crease पर मेरे eyelids पर लगा दूँगी. Like very lightly, and मतलब, you know, indirectly it looks like peachy color. So yeah, I'll apply it all over my eyelids. So can you see, this looks so cute, like, you know, aesthetic kind of eyes हम आज create करने वाले हैं. So I'll do same on my other eye also. So yeah, and if you want you can add a pop of color. It will look really cute on this types of eye. Now I'll highlight my inner eyes. So for that I'll be using a champagne pink sort of a color. So this color is called Pink Champagne itself, this color. So I'll take it on my, I'll apply it with my hands itself, like this. It looks so cute. I would say please try this eye look, like you will be in love with these simple yet cute eye looks. So I'll apply it in my inner corner, and मतलब थोड़ा सा मैं थोड़ा इसको eyelids पर extend कर दूँगी, and थोड़ा सा orange color लेके जो part में like erase हो चुका है उसे cover कर दूँगी basically, and थोड़ा सा finishing touches दे देती हूँ मैं वही shade से. I hope that आप लोगों को ये look, you know, थोड़ा सा पसंद आ जाए. Now we are completed, like we are almost completed with our eye look. So now we'll, you know, apply a little bit of kajal. So for kajal I'll be using this. This is the Plum Nature Studio Kajal in the shade Gemstone Green. So ये जो काजल है, it partially matches with my eye, with my you know, dress. So I'll be applying this in my lower lash line like this. Like मैं ज़्यादा नहीं लगाती हूँ, मैं सिर्फ, you know, outer corner तक ही रखती हूँ, अंदर तक नहीं लेके जाती हूँ, because, you know, फिर वो like kajal gets deposited in your inner corner, which I don't like. So now we'll apply a mascara. So for mascara, I'll be using this. This is the Lakme Iconic Curling Mascara. मैं हल्का सा कर्ल कर लूँगी मेरे लैशेस को, ज़्यादा।
Lakme Iconic Curling Mascara.
This is not at all clumpy. Like, can you see this? Looks so satisfying on your eyes. So now it's time for lipstick. Yay! And we are, I guess, left with my highlighter. For my highlighter, I'll be using this. This is the
Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter in the shade Molten Gold.
And I'll be applying my highlighter with same eyeshadow brush which I used. This. Can you see, this is so good highlighter. Like, I love this highlighter a lot. And अगर ज़्यादा लग जाती, you can always tap it with your beauty blender. And मैं अपने brow bone को भी highlight कर दूँगी. I'll highlight my other side of my cheekbone and other side of my brow bone even, and some on my cupid's bow, my chin, from forehead पे थोड़ा सा nose पे. Time for some lipstick, and for lips I'll be using this. This is the
Sugar Smudge Me Not Liquid Lipstick in the shade 18 Divine Praline.
So this is a dark mauve red color which complements my eye makeup and even my dress. This is very cute color, you guys, like very cute. So I'll apply this. This makeup is looking like very cute. I will set my makeup using this. This is the, I'll split it. I will not split it much because I have my mascara on and this is not that waterproof mascara. So like my baki ke area mein thoda bahut
Swiss Beauty Makeup Fixer.
And now I'll wear my dress and come back. But before, if you want to see the whole look, my jewelry and all, please subscribe on my Instagram. I'll be posting some posts on Raksha Bandhan because आज की इस वीडियो में I'll not be able to wear jewelries and accessories. So yeah guys, this is my final look. Finally we are completed with Raksha Bandhan ka makeup look. Can you see how pretty is that? Guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so that you get notified every single time I upload interesting videos. So yeah, bye.